Volkswagen Tiguan, airbag, spring, clock with spring is broken. I have opened it in pieces, everything, and now I try to take out this one. Take out, must solder out all these pins. So using like this, soldering out. And now have desoldered it. Now try to take it out. To take out, here is one clip. There. And now, I don't know, is it possible or not to solder this together again. And is it holds? So now make it. And same here. Now try to solder it together, and after put some glue, let it hold this. Now it's finished. Everything is on place. Looks straight, and try to put everything back, and must hold some years. From like this some cloth, I make small piece of this and put on top super glue. It's now very strong and must hold more better. So we will try put everything and see what happens. Now I have put all together, not all but almost. It must be like that. And now put all covers and make it align. Before you opening, you must not lose where it is, because now it's have around 4.5 turns. 2 side in one side and a half, other side 2.5 something, or 2.25. Now it's total in left. I have turned. If I turn, I cannot show with one hand, but I must spin here and 1, 2, and it's in middle. After 1, 2, and in here it's in total in right steering, and after back 1, 2, and in middle, and steering is in middle, because here is also steering angle sensor. And be careful, you cannot turn as you want, it's have a limit somewhere inside. So and show фактически. Now it's in middle. 1, 2, and this quarter, it's total in left. 1, 2, now it's in middle, and keep in going in right. 1, 2, and this quarter finish. 1, 2, now it's middle. Now in this position, close all covers and put in cart. And now it's all is finished. Must be good. Installed in car. All looks good. No faults, nothing. Airbag I have cleared. Everywhere is okay. Just we can check steering angel sensor. Is it straight? Even maybe here must not work, I'm not sure. Go to ABS. Yes, steering is straight. And here is 0, so it's perfect. Horn is working, buttons is working, everything works. See you later. Volkswagen Tiguan.